Hi, in front of me is ZTE Axon 7 and today I want to show you how you can connect your device through Bluetooth. Open Settings, choose Bluetooth and tap on the switcher. Now click at the bottom right corner to see available devices. When you see the one that you want to connect to, tap on it and wait. Now select Pair and wait for the other person to respond. As you can see, my device was successfully paired. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!